Hey guys, um, in this video, I'll be showing you how to use Canva Pro for free. Yes, you'll be wondering how it is, free, because it's been paid for. There are packages you have to pay for to use some of their images. There's a package you need to pay that you use images, the templates and all that. But I'm going to show you in this particular video how to use Canva Pro for free. Well, just stay with me as I, navigate around it so that you get. Well, all you need to do is log in into Canva. Yes, you go to their website, that is canva.com. You log in with your email and all that. This is a free account, so there are certain things that I cannot access. I'm going to show you. Yes, I'm going to show you. For example, if I'm trying to work with, let me see, this is Pro already. This is Pro. And I want to work with this. I can't work with this because I need to upgrade my Canva to Canva Pro to access these templates. So let me show you what to do. Yes, let me show you what to do to be able to access Canva Pro for free. What you do in your browser, you click on another tab, then you type in this particular address in your search bar. You tap this particular address. I'm going to drop the link in the comment section. I'm going to pin it so that you also can click on that link directly and go to it. So once you click on this, it takes you directly to the site. You scroll down, the link is down below, and wait. You need to wait for it to count down to 0. You understand? You need to wait for it to count down to 0. Then you can be able to access the pass. You need to wait for it to count down. Then you click here to download. After the countdown, you click here to download. So you click it, it takes you, to Canva Pro. You can see, welcome to your Canva Pro team. You can see now you're having access to lots of paid items. You understand? You have access to paid items which you can use free of charge on any website. And also you have a storage space of 100 gig. So what you just do is click, got it, and you are in. You press next, check everything, check it out, press next and all that. So let's go back to what we're trying to look for that time. YouTube thumbnail. You see now you can use Canva Pro subscriber, get this template for free. So once you click, you can be able to start working on Canva. So that is it. The link is in the description. So what you just do, you watch this video so that you'll be able to navigate your way around it. Well, if you are yet to subscribe on this YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button and also share this video, like this video, comment on this particular video so that it will get to others.